Edo State Governor Okpebholo don yarn say make Edo Central people no slack at all, make dem gather body for APC as the senatorial by-election wey go shele August 16, 2025 dey come. E tok say if APC carry the win, development go rush enter the area like cool harmattan breeze wey no dey stop. Oga Okpebholo still tok say dis election na big test to show say Esan Land dey united and come beg make everybody turn up support APC candidate Honourable Joseph Ikpea. Say if dem win, e go show everybody say Esan Land na one and dem ready to open door for development under APC government.
Una go start now. Yeah. Una don't start. Yeah. Una know say this man a correct man. This one. If I say a good man, a good man. This man never thief agric money. Una know so. This one. Money wey belong to state for agriculture, he never touch am. He was commissioner, he did not touch it. He was chairman local government, he didn't touch money that belong to the state. The best chairman at that time. So now him we want bring out now for Senate. You don't read there. Una don't agree say don't read there. Let me tell you something. I mean they come now. This road, my waist don't they pain me. Women oh yeah. Women oh yeah. Una don't know Ikpogbo. Before Ikpogbo they fresh. But because of this road, Ikpogbo not fresh again. Ikpogbo still they fresh. So, Piki were not good. PDP not good for our body. They don't deceive us, tire. So now, you know, say, me, I don't tell Baba, I say, Waju, that he's the best president for this country. You know, they say they do this work and they do this work and they do this work. You know why? Because if they give me the money to work for now. I don't tell her and say we are over 5 million people in Edo. There are some people who will never grow. But I don't calculate, say 2.5 million votes. Say Edo must take care for the good work what they do for you. Shebi, we don't settle that one. We never settle that one. So, you know, say me, they say I not sabi talk. You know, say, if I talk now, they go start to cry. Now let one party I go press, they go to cry. So, but make I leave them. You understand? So if so, this 2027 election, that goes here, our result go show.
What's people? Metabanege, ewa to, ewosa, ewohimi, metabanege, but my fear, honor can Osemano, Ekpo people, una know say, see Ekpo, see Ewato. Now here they pass every day they go Benin. This is our road. After governor talk so, our governor go do more. You know they promise a fellow. Clap for that one. You know they promise a fellow. Una say for only 9 months we don't the office. Only 9 months we are going to the office. It don't change everywhere. This is our own now. Now we're different. So more gonna support us. On the 16th of August, now be the election. I mean, they vote for. If not vote for me, not vote for our governor. The governor when they perform, now vote for. God bless you now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
As they talk through APC senatorial leader General Sesi Esekagbe retired for campaign waka wey dem do for Ewoyimi, Awu and Ubiaja, Esan South-East local government, the governor come talk say for years, dem don dey wish say one of their own go be governor and say God don do am. Say now na time to hold am strong by voting APC everywhere.
I stand here on behalf of our governor, the performing governor, project here, governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo. He said, I should let you know, all the governors were called to Abuja today. That is why he's not here. And he said, I should tell you people, when he comes back, he will come and pay a special visit to Ewoyimi and Ewato people. He said, I should tell you that all of us are Esan people. Wages and the fine, we don't get them as governor. But because all of us are together, that is why he give una son this ticket. Make it represent Esan for Abuja. Ọmọ náà sẹ́bà, ọyọ yẹ́wà, ọyọ wọ́kẹ̀sì náà, ọ̀nìwà trọ́ọ̀sì náà, ọ̀nìwà jọlúwọ̀mọ́. August 16th, Governor Imenta Mẹ́wàá, bàdá àgẹ̀lẹ̀ vote in ọ̀nàmọ̀nà, adá wílọ́n election ní, Ewoyimi, Ewato, project here, project there. Ọ̀dà ayọ́lẹ̀, ọ̀nàmọ̀nà, lọ́kì Abuja ọ̀dẹ̀bálẹ̀ wẹ́nà, Esan kèrè àmẹ́, àyìnbá ọ̀nẹ́sàn àmẹ́, Esan dẹ́ fúré o, ọ̀yàvẹ́nià ọ̀kìkẹ̀dọ́ mìíràn. Not a matter that a gentleman Abuja, let's have a fire. So, no more, Bajari morning, August 16th, APC, APC, APC. Direct. By only I'm your ram, by only I'm your monos, by another way. I want to Ewoyimi. First quarter be main house, on the Wagwana. Are you main house, Wagwana? On the main house, Abulu.
Big APC Ogbonge people gather for the event, including Director General of Edo Central Senatorial Campaign Council, Right Honorable Victor Sabo, wey still add more talk say na unity and clear win dem need on election day make APC fit show say dem dey control ground. As rally dey hot, na so PDP people begin jump ship. Councillors from Ward 1 and 2 carry all their supporters waka enter APC as dem swear allegiance say na APC dem go follow now and dem believe for the party leadership 100%. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojisoli, TMC News.